everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem count of case camel characters. So basically first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. So basically camel case characters means, for example, let's take a string that is AVTUHA. So basically you can clearly see there are some capital letters while there are some lowercase characters, right? So basically, one moment. In camel case characters, we have some lowercase and some uppercase characters. Whenever we come across an uppercase character, we need to assume that this is a new word. This is a new word. This is a new word. So basically in this what happens is that instead of spaces or the symbols and all, we say that whenever we come across a capital letter, that means we have started a new word. So that is why when I say count these characters, okay, count the camel case characters, that means we need to count the uppercase characters. So right now I have 1, 2 and 3. So my answer is 3. So this is what you have to do in the question. You would be given a string and you need to count the camel case characters. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. So what you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, you need to go to the difficulty section. Over here, you need to choose school, okay? After choosing school, you need to find the problem count of camel case characters, okay? One moment, let me clean it. Now let's solve it. So let's wait, it's opening. Okay, so here it is, okay? One moment. Okay, now let's read the question. The question is given a string, you are given a string, count the number of camel case characters in it, okay? You are given a string and you need to count the camel case characters. So basically we would code it over here, okay? So now let's start. So basically first I need to count something. So basically I would take a variable count whose initial value is 0. So I would start over here and write count which is 0, okay? So basically I took count which is initially 0 and now I would start. See, basically I have a string, right? So I would apply a for loop on it so that from the first character of the string to the last I can traverse the entire string, okay? So let me do it. So now it would be for I in range, okay? Not range, we can directly write S, okay? Because S is the string. Now I am traversing the string and I need to count the capital letters, right? The uppercase letters. So what I would do is I would just check if I equal to I dot upper. Okay, so I'm saying if the character is uppercase, okay, I'm checking if it is uppercase. One moment. Over here, I forgot an equal to. Okay, so I'm checking if it is uppercase, then I would increase the value of count. So over here, I would write count plus equal to 1. Okay, I increase the value of count and now I would return with the value of count which stores my result. So enter. Over here, it would be return count. Okay, so this is how you do the code, but we are not sure if it is correct or not. So first we would click on compile and run. So let's wait. It is getting compiled. We need to wait. So basically I have clicked on submit directly, okay? So basically if my answer is correct, so basically my question would be properly submitted. So let's wait if it is correct or not. We need to wait. Okay, so see, the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the question count of camel characters. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching it. Thank you.